Let's take a look at some other states as well. The coastal state of Odisha this time. Naveen Patnaik is eyeing the throne of the longest-serving Chief Minister. It's a status currently held by the Chief Minister of Sikkim, Pawan Kamling. But will Naveen Patnaik win another term? India Today Access My India exit polls say there is a 50-50 chance here. Here's more in this report, what it's looking like for Naveen Patnaik.
Shri Naveen Patnaik!
A victory in the assembly elections will give Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik place in the record books. As of June 2nd, Patnaik needs 78 days more in office to become the longest-serving Chief Minister in India. He will break the record held by former Chief Minister of Sikkim, Pawan Kamling, who was in office 24 years and 167 days. But will Patnaik win another term?
Let's get you the vote share first and what it really looks like. Lok Sabha, the BJP swept, where the 147 seats are concerned in the state assembly election. How is the BJD poised vis-a-vis the BJP? The vote share, well, it's even keel, dead heat, 42% for the BJP and 42% for the BJD, with the Congress at 12%, others standing at 4%. From vote share, let's now shift to seat share. Out of 147, where does the BJD stand? Will Naveen Patnaik break that record that Rajdeep was talking about? And it is dead heat right here as well. 62 to 80 for the BJP and 62 to 80 seats for the BJD as well. The Congress at 5 to 8 seats, others at 0.
A dead heat in Odisha. The India Today Access My India exit poll reveals that the BJP enjoys a 3-point lead among male voters, while Patnaik's BJD's has a 3-point advantage among women voters. In the last few days of the campaign, the BJP has put the spotlight on Naveen Patnaik's health. The BJP accused Patnaik's most trusted aide and former IAS officer, V.K. Pandyan, of trying to become the Chief Minister's political successor. By targeting Pandyan's Tamil roots, the BJP played the Odisha pride card. How decisive will that prove? Bureau Report, India Today.